Hello students, I'm going to show you how to make a flag in Adobe Illustrator. This is going to be a United States flag, so here we go. I'm going to start with a large rectangle, which is going to be the base of my flag. Next, I'll make some stripes. On the United States flag, there are 7 red stripes and 6 white stripes, equaling 13 total, which has to do with the 13 colonies. Now I'm going to make a stripe using a rectangle. I'll make that red. And I'm going to make it have no stroke. No stroke. Okay. Now I want to make copies of this. I'll make 7 of them. Well, 6 copies for a total of 7. And I want to have them spaced out evenly within my flag. Okay, now getting them to be the right size is the first trick. So if I space them out, I'm going to select them just by clicking and dragging over all of them with the regular selection tool. I'm going to shift click on my white rectangle to deselect it. And then I'm going to use my align tools, or distribute tools more correctly, to distribute them evenly. So that's vertical distribute center. And that's actually not bad as far as their size goes. The white stripes are a little thicker, so what I'm going to do, just to show you how to do this, is to make my red stripes a little bigger. And I'm going to do that all at once. I'm just going to drag up a bit while I have them selected. And then I'll reposition this top one, lined up with the top of my white square. Once again, reselect all of them. Deselect my white rectangle, and then redistribute them vertically. Pretty good. Close enough. Okay, my next step is to make a blue square. It's going to be red to begin with, but that's okay. And this is going to be where my stars will go. I think I actually missed the top of the box or the rectangle with my stripes. Let me just redistribute them. Okay, so this red rectangle is going to become blue. Make sure that it meets the edge of that 4th stripe down. And then I'm going to make some stars. So the star tool, I'll make 1 star. I'm going to make it white with a black stroke, just so I can see it. And I'm going to make 5 more of these, okay? Because the flag has rows of stars. It's got 5 rows of 6 stars and 4 rows of 5 stars. So I'm just going to move this last one kind of to that edge. Move that one in a little bit. Now when I'm going to select these, make sure they're aligned, so I can align them vertically by their tops and then distribute them horizontally by their centers, like that. So what I want to actually do is make another copy of this. So I'm going to option drag straight down to make that copy. I can hold shift and it will keep it aligned horizontally as well. Okay, and then I'm going to delete one of the stars. I'm going to group the row of 5, Command G, and the row of 6, Command G. Okay, so remember grouping, object, group, or ungroup right there. Command G to group, Shift Command G to ungroup. Okay, and I want to then select both of these rows and align them horizontally by their centers, like that. And what I'm going to do is drag them onto my flag, and then I'm going to option drag down. So option, and you can notice that I'm going to run out of space, but that's okay. I just want to get my bottom row as low as it needs to be. Okay, and then it doesn't really matter if these are all spaced properly, because I'm going to let the align and distribute tools fix that. So if I select all of these rows and do this vertical distribute by centers, it should line everything up perfectly. And I'm going to turn the white or the black stroke off to get rid of that. And boom, there's a flag. Thank you for watching.